Good morning. I'm gone today, but I have some fraction games that I would like you guys to do during math group. So I'm going to show you how to do them. The link is in your email and on your Canvas page. The first one, you're going to go to Simple Fractions Matching. You're going to start with level 1. It may ask you to update your Adobe Reader, and then you would just click Yes. You can choose relaxed mode or timed mode. I'm going to click on relaxed mode. Okay. All right, now I'm just going to match the fractions. So this is 2/3. This one has two of the three pieces colored in. This is two of the two pieces are colored in, so it would be 2/2. And then this one would be 1/2. And then up here, it's going to tell me, click here for next level. So I leveled up. Okay. 1/3, 1/3, 1/2, 1/2, 3/3, 3/3. Then I'm going to level up again. Okay, so that's that one. I want you to start with either level 1 or level 2 of that. Then the next thing I want you to do is go to fraction splat. And on this one, you can choose where to start again. I'd like you to start with probably either the simple fractions 1 or the simple fractions 2. I'm going to go ahead and go with the simple fractions 2. Again, you have some choices. You can choose fast or slow, timed, fast or slow. I'm going to go ahead and choose relaxed mode, slow. Okay, so I'm looking for fractions that show 1/4, and I'm going to click on them. And that would be 1/4 that would be colored in. So right there, and I get points as I do that. 2/4 would be over here. 3/4 would be here. 1/2 would be here. 3/4 down here. You guys couldn't see that one. Okay, so you get the idea on that one. After you play these two games, if you still have more time and it's not time for Edmentum yet, you can go back in and play those again, or you could try this match the fraction set. There are also some games down below, the equivalent fractions and mixed fractions, if you would like to try those. That's what I'd like you to do during our group time at 11:30 today. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.